JK Tyre has been doing this rally with Constitution Club of India and the parliamentarians for years altogether. What is the message that gets across and get message the JK Tyres want to give to its patrons in the country?
JK Tyre has been associated with the Constitution Club of India for almost from 2010, and this is our 9th edition. And we are very proud for the objective of road safety. And we are giving at JK Tyre a lot of training to the truck drivers, to the school bus drivers, and doing a lot of campaigns nationwide. We are also major sponsors for road safety and also campaigning for road safety all in different states. We have done an initiative and we continue with the initiative of road safety with Delhi Police as well. And our motto is drive safe, drive responsible, and be in total control.
Today's chief guest, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, who is a Parliamentary Affairs Minister and Minority Affairs Minister, recalls JK Tyre jacket that you may have given, and because he is himself a passionate driver and he loves driving all across the world and in India as well.
Yes, and he is a very passionate car enthusiast, and he's participated in many events across our nation, and we are very happy to associate a parliamentarian who is the objective is also on the same lines as drive safe and road safety.
So JK Tyre is also known for driving across cross-country races. Where do you see those sports coming back once again?
Oh, we are having lots of different formats, whether be driving in the mountains, whether it is the track racing or even the forest challenger. And we are committed to the racing, and every opportunity we are not leaving that, and we are nurturing a lot of young passionate youngsters, including women drivers as well, and we are committed to motorsports.
And in Chennai you have a go-karting, and JK Tyre is very passionate, as you talked about, bringing driving lessons to the youngsters, maybe on road safety at the same time in rallies as well.
Oh yes, our racing doesn't start till we don't give a briefing on safety. That is a vital point in any format of racing. So that is done by an expert, and road safety, driving safety is a key message which we go through and tell them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.